how to put date and time on your Instagram story. It's a very easy process, so follow along. First, open your app, and in order to access your story section, just swipe right from your home screen and your story section will show up. Once you do this, what you can do is simply tap on create if you want to have a background. So right here, tap on this create. It will create a background so you don't have to click any photos. Once you do that, what you can do is tap on this if to add other stuff like this mention, or you can do that, but to do a simple text you can do that and tap on this sticker icon right here. Up all of these up, you can just swipe up here. You in order to add your day, you can see today is Monday, so all of these stickers are here by default. You can choose whatever you want. You can even tap on them to change their style and color. You can do another options as well. So that's how you add your day like this. You can find it on your stickers at the very top. And in order to add time, you do the same here at the first. You can see this clock option. Just tap on it, and you can even tap on them to bring um, these analog clocks as well. So you can choose your time like this. And to add your date, you can simply tap on the blank screen and type in, suppose 30th June 2024. So you can change the colors, the style, the fonts, and everything. So you can choose your date like this and you can post it to your story. I hope you found the video helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.